Winning Forex trading strategy. This strategy is really meant for MetaTrader 4 Forex brokers and not meant for MetaTrader 5 Forex brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers. We have a lot of best Forex brokers outside there. Make sure you trade on top regulated Forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these top regulated Forex brokers. Make sure you register with them and open a demo account to try out your strategy before you go live with your hard-earned money. Make sure you practice on demo account and familiarize yourself with your strategy. If it is profitable, then you can go live. Make sure you are not greedy and start with small lot size. Treat this as a business and not as a gambling game. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading Strategy. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning Forex trading strategy, either for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 brokers. I have come up with this Forex trading strategy with few indicators. Make sure you follow me closely as I explain to you how to use this on a regulated Forex brokers. I have this indicator like parabolic SAR, and I have the MACD here, leader of MACD here, and I have support and resistance zone indicator. All the indicators must be in agreement before you place your trade, and the support and resistance indicator is another added indicator or confirmation to know where to go for buy or sell or target. So just make sure you follow me closely as I explain how to use it. All the indicators must be in agreement. For instance, I have this indicator, the parabolic SAR, turning to white for a buy at this particular point, but when you look at the leader of MACD, it may remains red until this particular point here, where we have all these indicators in agreement for a buy. This changed to white, and the leader of MACD changed to white also, the histogram, for a buy, and it was above zero level. So this is a buy signal that was generated with this strategy, and your first take profit will be this, and the second one will be this point, and it did hit our take profit. And after this, we have another set signal that was generated here, and this was at a resistance zone or point, and we have the leader of MACD turning to red also. We have a buy signal generated here. This did turn to white now for a buy, and MACD did turn to white for a buy, and this is a good signal. Your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low while you ride the trend, or your risk to reward ratio might be 1 to 2. All depends on you. Just make sure you follow money management. No strategy is 100% accurate, and that is why it is important that you follow money management. And before you place any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your strategy or your analysis. This particular strategy can be used on any pairs you want to trade, either on Forex pair like a USD, Japanese yen, Euro USD, Canada dollar, Japanese yen, Euro Australian dollar, as many pairs as you have on your MetaTrader 4 brokers platform. And you can use this on indices like Nasdaq, US 30, JAMA 40, as many indices you have on your MetaTrader 4. This can be used to trade meta like a gold, silver, and you can use this to trade stock like a FB stock, Google stock, Amazon stock, as many stock as you have on your MD4, and you can use this for crypto trading and crypto pairs. Just make sure you follow the simple rule. Now let's check this on one or two pairs more before I show you the setting for all the indicators that I use. And here is it on Euro USD here on 30 minutes time frame. You can use it on any time frame you want. Here is it on the 15 minutes, and here is it on the 1 hour time frame. Just trade with any time frame you want to trade, and it is accurate. So for a buy, it's still the same methodology as I've said earlier, and sell here coming from resistance zone. We have a confirmation here, and this was invalid because this remained red until this particular point that we have the indicators in agreement. So this is how to use this particular strategy on MetaTrader 4 brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers and on demo account. Familiarize yourself with your strategy before you go live. And here is it on US 30, on the H1, on 15 minutes, on 5 minutes. Just make sure you follow this simple rule. The methodology remains the same. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy and the settings. So I have the parabolic SAL indicator. These are my colors and these are my values. You can just pause the video and check it out. This symbol changer where I watch the few pairs that I wanted to trade, and I have the support and resistance zone, and these are the values. Make sure you use my template or you pause the video and set it up manually. And the last indicator on the indicator window is leader of MACD. These are my colors and these are my values. Make sure you set it up accordingly or you use my template. So these are all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex broker. The download links to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description, and I did include links to some of the top regulated Forex brokers. Make sure you check them out. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow Forex trader Joe, and bye for now.